I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrenches in my top drawer of my snap-on box. I think I'm missing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pliers in my bottom drawer of my snap-on box. Get ready to fix some cars. Get ready to fix. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? This is MJ. Today I got a coilover plug quick spark checker in the mail, and let's go ahead and unbox it. I've been wanting one of these for a while. This tool is used to, it helps you diagnose no starts and other things. So here we go. Alright. Man, I've been wanting this for a while. I finally got one. Let's see, simply press the probe against the ignition coil. Use the thumb wheel to adjust the sensitivity until the LEDs begin flashing. Every time the unit detects a spark firing, it will flash the bright LED strobe indicating sufficient kilovolts and flash the green LED indicating sufficient arc duration. This allows a technician to determine if the coil is firing the spark plug consistently, intermittently, misfiring, or not at all. All right. This is your little adjuster wheel. And this is to, I guess that's to keep the battery from being drained while it's shipping. All right. All right, well, I'm gonna take this outside and use it. Take this out. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. All right, we're gonna use this, see if it works on my Camry, or Camrys. I got 2 of them now. So you can, supposed to be able to put this on the coilover plug and see if it's sparking. Helps to diagnose no starts. This is what I usually use, but you gotta take the coil out and put it on here. And then you gotta put this on the ground, and then you see the spark in here. But this other one looks a little bit faster. And I had this for a while. I think it needs a new battery, but this you put this one on the fuel injector. So I want to see if I could use them both at the same time to check fuel and spark at the same time. So we'll see. I might need to get a new battery, but we'll see. All right, let's go outside and actually use it. All right, let's try it out on my 2004 Camry. Check it out. So it's working pretty good. You got to spin that little wheel so you'll get a signal, but mine is working pretty good. Beeping all over the place. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. I wish I had bought this thing years ago. So here's a 2017 Camry, similar engine here. Working just as it should. Alright, awesome. Working great. I love it. So here's a hint. These clips for the coil packs, when you have to pull these off of old cars, they always break. And, I mean, there's no really way to repair them. So that's why I like this tool. So you don't have to take those clips off. And older cars don't take apart anything you don't have to, because it breaks sometimes. Here's a lower cost alternative here. These fuel Noid lights, you put them in the wiring harness when you take it off the injector, but again, the clips might break, so I think it's worth it to get the Noid, to get the non-contact one. And here's a spark checker. Definitely get one of those. They're inexpensive. So there we go. These two might cost you about 50 bucks, and these two about 240 bucks, about 120 bucks a piece. But I think they're definitely worth it. I'll show you the fuel injector one. You just put it on the fuel injector and it beeps when the fuel injector fires. Now look, it doesn't test fuel pressure though, that's only signal. So if you want to test the pressure, you got to get a pressure tester. And if you want to get super fancy, get yourself a DSO, digital storage oscilloscope, and then you can see the actual voltage graph. But that's usually just for engine performance. For no starts, these two should work fantastic. Super great. And you're going to diagnose every no start in town like a boss, like a baller status man or woman. There we go. Thanks for tuning in and have a good one.